Hey guys, this is Wei from Xinhua News Agency, reporting to you from Tokyo, Japan. Today I'm heading to Chinatown in Yokohama, which is about a 1-hour train ride from here. I'm going to meet one of my friends there whom I haven't seen for a long time. With that being said, let's go. Here I am, Chinatown. Yokohama Chinatown is a vibrant and bustling neighborhood and a popular tourist destination. It's especially busy during Chinese New Year, and you'll find lanterns thrown in every corner. Before the COVID-19 pandemic, during Chinese New Year, you can expect to hear a lot of noise like firecrackers. Teams of line dancers move through the streets and storefronts. But this year is going to be a bit different. The coronavirus situation here in Japan is still quite severe, and 10 prefectures, including Kanagawa, where Yokohama is located, are still under state of emergency. All the restaurants have been requested to close by 8 p.m. at night. Business here has been especially hit hard. So yeah, we're not going to see the line dances or the celebration parade this year. Okay, let's go find my friend. There she is. Hi, Lia-san. I remember last time when we met, I asked you something about your graduation ceremony, right? And you told me it was canceled and you feel upset about this. So anything new with your life in the past year?
I was admitted to graduate school.
Oh, congrats. So do you have the classes online or you go to school in person?
Mostly online.
Which do you prefer? Personally for me, I would prefer to have classes online because it sounds easier. You don't have to wear makeup or even get dressed for school. And it seems safer to be at home during COVID. So how do you feel about this?
I agree with you, but I want to go to school because I can meet my new friends and I miss my professors. I hope to meet them.
Chinese New Year is coming. How are you celebrating? Do you have any plans?
In the past, I invited my friends to come to my home. We cook, play games, and watch TV shows together.
How about this year?
But this year is very difficult to do that, so I plan to stay at home by myself.
Would you feel lonely?
A little bit, but I can always have video calls with my parents and my friends, so it is not that bad.
What's your New Year resolution and wishes?
I hope this year I can find a good job, and also I hope this pandemic can be over soon. I can hang out with my friends freely, maybe without masks.
Okay, the last question. Are you hungry?
A little bit.
Me too. Let's go find something to eat.
Let's go.
Of course, the best thing about Chinatown is the food. You'll find all the staples of Chinese cuisine here, alongside restaurants serving dishes from Chinese culture. Look at this cute little panda bone. It's so cute. I don't want to break it. Oops. Sorry. Chocolate inside. Okay, that is a wrap up. We hope you're healthy, happy, and wonderful Chinese New Year.
The Year of Ox.
Okay, thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.
Bye.